Hello everyone, and welcome to the overview of the pharmacology section for cardiovascular medications. As you guys click through, you'll see some of the content has been uploaded. If you want to see what a full module looks like with lessons and stuff, lesson 4 has that with a full articulate module and with voiceover minus closed captioning with the drug table and everything should be as functional. The rest of the modules will continue to be uploaded as I finish content. I've done a lot of content development on each of them, but none of them were finalized at the time of this recording. What I really want to focus on is the introduction. And I'd like you guys to remember that in this section, this is a part of a larger whole curriculum, and the terminology is a bit confusing that my client uses. So I will probably need to edit the particular headings in that he uses course for the whole curriculum. The pharmacology is a class according to him. So if we look at here, this I've uploaded under the course overview sheet, and this is over the whole curriculum. It's the technician program overall that includes all of this. So this is included, and this mainly focuses on pharmacology, but is included under this to give them an idea of what they're going to be tested on and kind of the breakdown that currently exists. I don't really have much leverage to change this particular guidance, but I can give recommendations as if you guys review this and can help me with some of those things. That would be great. And then additionally, I did upload the roadmap is something that I want to change and tweak. So this is currently what the technicians get. And again, as you can see here, this is not just specific for pharmacology, which is what I'm designing for, but also has these others. And so they get this each section. So that's in 3 sections in weeks of 4. So section 1 is weeks 1 through 4 is highlighted up here. And so I recreated this. It looks very similar, but some of these things are repeated, so I tried to take this out and make it more streamlined. I did upload this again for your guys' reference when you compare and review my introduction module, but I'll just show you real quick. This is what I kind of remade it. Again, it doesn't have any of the fancy Mayo headings, but to me this was a slightly better easier way for me to digest information, but I'm also open to how you guys think can make this easier for the students to follow. I tried to put it down week 1 and then break it up by class so they could see each of their responsibilities. The key difference, if you guys will come down, I did make when they get to the cardiovascular section, it follow my outline so they could more easily match up. Like this, they have to do this all in I believe this is week 3. But within this module, there's several lessons, short bite-sized lessons that have the drug tables and patient cases that go with it. So it looks like a lot, but it's just so they can literally check it off as they go and follow along the same lines, which is in D2L. And so if you guys especially have, for those that deal more with rubrics and different things, rubrics may not be the right word, but creating syllabus and schedules, if you have any advice on better ways to kind of engage that, I'm really looking for advice on how to better set them up for success, and trying to keep it as comprehensive as possible. That was something a client asked, is to keep something like this where it has the different areas so they can have a quick, easy reference to know, hey, for each class that I have, for introduction to pharmacy, I have to do these. For the pharmacology, I have to do these in week 1. So he wants to try and keep this, but if you have a better way of laying it out, please feel free to reach out, email, let me know. That'd be very helpful. And like I said, I will add content as in each of these sections as they've developed if you want a taste of what it's going to look like Module 4. Again, and then the wrap up, the quiz is not yet made, and then I will also have a link again to the Quizlets and the drug tables and patient cases for the students to review. And so that's the layout right now of the final course. Thank you guys for your time, and I look forward to your feedbacks. It's been great working with you all, and I really appreciate everything that you guys have done to help this course be improved, and it'll be utilized soon, so thanks.